the IA community. Mm.
Yeah, hi everyone. Finally, after so long, we are live.
Mm.
Hi, Puke. How's everything going on?
Yeah, everything is okay. Very good. Hello, Wana. Nice to see you on our live stream about Learn, Build, and Earn for Aya Codex. This is a really great platform for people to learn how to be in crypto and build a project in here with the community. Mm.
Yeah, looking forward to discuss more around the same AI Codex, a bit about our experience, and looking forward to take some questions in the end. So if you have any doubts, do not forget to put it in the comment section, and we will take that later on once our session will be done. And
Mm.
looking forward to, for the same. Let me just share my screen.
Mm.
Yeah, Fuke, you can go ahead from here.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. So I will introduce a little bit about Aya. About today's oh, sorry, it's okay. It's about like Aya. Aya is like an AI powered wallet. On across multiple chains, we have like AI assistant for like multiple chain supports. It's about like non-custodial, so it's very safe for you to using on our wallets. And we are launching Aya wallet soon. Hopefully this year. So this we have like a lot of in Aya communities. We have like workshops, hackathons, like meetups across 6 regions. In like for now, we have Vietnam, Indonesia, India, Philippines, and UAE will come soon. So we would like to meet ships and scale globally together. So okay, briefly. And our agenda today is like we have like what is IO Codex, how to join us. We have some features for you to explore, to learn, to build and earn, and what next for after you joining IO Codex. And now I want to invite like Buana to sharing about the Codex.
Yeah, thank you for giving the introduction, Puke, for everyone. And let me just go through the main website of our platform. I hope my screen is visible now. So here is basically the platform that we are building. So if you're someone who are just getting started your journey in Web3, either with AI, so do not like forget to be enthusiast for everything. So over here, like if you're someone who are just starting your journey and wanted to learn, build, and earn on chain, so you are being at a very good place, which is basically a AI Codex, developer platform for AI wallet that we are building for developers so that they can learn the things, build, and ship on chain. And from where you will be starting it out. Let's get started. Once you click on this particular get started button, you need to like create your account to save your journey, like whatever you are building and so on. So let me just quickly create a new account of mine. Like either you can use your Google account or create your own. So let me just create somewhat similar. So I just creating Nitisha account and adding the email and a password out of it. So as I am creating the account for the first time, so we are doing it as a sign up. You can save and use it further on. So now you get a buddy to like set up the things. So it's a like cool feature that I love. So like you can create your own avatar just by giving certain prompts, which will be in the form of pixelated. So here we have given some example, but if you want to randomize it out, so you can do that as well. So let me just check like space range helmet futuristic, and it will take like few time to generate the avatar. Um, like 2 to 3 minutes because in the background it is using Gemini APIs, and now it's done. So you can see like it's created a cute avatar that you can use as a profile, or either if you want to upload yours, so you can upload yours as well. But for now, like I will be using that. So we have like three personalities on our AI Codex. First would be a developer, second would be a creator who love playing with the things, and second would be an explorer like me who love doing creator side of thing, love doing development side of thing. But still looking forward what comes under which version. So you will be going forward with explorer. So let me just choose explorer, and then you need to just provide your name. So I'm just providing Nitish. Now you're good to go. You have already created your account, and it will be once you have let's go. It will be forging card. Forging card is basically your identity that you can share with public, whatever skills you have learned, whatever badges you have earned through the platform. You can share on socials and create your uh, resume that you can share with everyone. So your card is ready, and once your card is ready, you can either download it out and share on Twitter. On clicking on Twitter, you can share the card with the audience that you are looking forward. And now we are on our dashboard. So what exactly it contains? So over here you can see it gives. So let's cover it a bit by bit. So let's understand this particular thing. What exactly it contains on our dashboard. So first we have like welcome to Echo Codex. You have card awaits. Your digital identity is here where you can explore. You it mentioned you are explorer. Our air card total XP. XP is more like your digital asset in the platform that you can earn by learning in the platform, building and engage with the community and so on. And once you have completed any courses and in anything, so you will get a badge that you can eventually shown to your card. And over here like you have the role explorer and the courses run so far. So you can also see the profile. As you can see, here's the profile. Total XP it has. I have the day one streak. So I'm explorer if I wanted. So I can change the things from here as well. So, but for now, I'm not wanted to change anything. So for now, we will keeping up to this point as well. So we will cover in detail what exactly it contains, it learn, build, earn, and community side of it. But let's have a cool feature over here. So invite your friend. So I have one email of my friend that I can use. Let me just check. Yeah, community23@gmail.com. The email that I have created just to check the things. Friend's name. Let's say Nitish is inviting, and your friend's email you need to put it over here. And once you have sent the invitation, your friend will receive a email to join the platform. Let me just show you if I can share my screen. Let me just share the screen again. So basically, this type of email you will receive once your friend invited you to the platform, where you will get a few idea around the platform. And once you click on newsletter, it will onboard you to the platform. So eventually, like this is basically the things on our dashboard. And now we will be covering in details around the other sections that we have in our codex. So now you got the idea what exactly it's the platform is about, how you can create your own identity, and how you can invite your friend to the platform as well and get paid for the things in XP, which eventually you can translate in USDC. So now let's go under this particular section called Learn. So what this particular session is about, we will be covering a few sections where you can build your base and build empire tomorrow. So the core idea would be more around we will be training you, making your roots strong, so that the tree grown out of that would be a way stronger. So whenever someone is starting their journey in Web3 blockchain, you should first start with Bitcoin white paper. But that particular white paper is somewhat very difficult to understand if someone beginner or just getting into the blockchain and things like that. They will got overwhelmed for the first time. So we try to keep it pretty simple by giving few example out of it, but exactly it is by
Yeah.
giving few examples. You can cover it out. Eventually, once you have completed one section, you will get a quiz in the end that you need to complete. Once you completed that out, you will get a brilliant sign, and we will move ahead with the next chapter. And once you have completed that out, we will ahead with the next chapter. And eventually, once you complete the final section, and it's not like you completed the second section and you can directly move to the 15th chapter. No, you need to complete a bit by bit after completing the quest
Mm,
section quest and eventually understand the things in the clearer way.
mm.
So that's
Can you?
why we plan.
Yeah, yeah. Can you share the screen for people to see it? Yeah, because I think like Wana is has a really beautiful slide, beautiful platform here. Yeah, Bitcoin wallpaper to understand like the history of Bitcoin with the Satoshi, as I remember, Bitcoin wallpaper. Yeah.
Exactly. So like it contains few questions that you need to cover it out, and eventually like once you completed the quest, after understanding the whole section, you can get most out of it. And eventually, bit by bit, you understand the things. And once you complete the last chapter, you will get a badge that you have completed this particular section. And eventually, the second base would be understanding the blockchain basis, like how the things work, why we actually need the blockchain ecosystem, and so on. And once you have completed that out, you can onboard to the Ethereum guide, like how you can write your first smart contract in Solidity and so on. And eventually, like you can understand bit around basics, what is like digital assets and private ledger, public ledger, and things like that. What exactly ledger is about, private keys, public keys, and things like that. So you can learn all of that in wallet basics, and eventually you can create your first project as well. And bit by bit, like we will be adding few more courses, and that will help you uplifting your basics structure. And eventually, like we will be adding our courses around how you can build your first project, your first app in any programming language and things like that. And now the third section would be more around how you can earn on chain around the same. So we will be keeping a bounty based and grant based platform. Let's say you have learned this particular uh, blog around Bitcoin white paper. So there would be a bounty around the same, where let's say you need to share your journey in the form of thread in terms of like LinkedIn post. And once you have completed that out, submit that out, then you will be eligible for the reward. So in the way, like we will be launching that out super soon. So stay tuned to our socials. So those who are be the early user will be eligible for the same for the first one. So make sure like you be the part of the community and get most out of it. And second would be more around community. So without a community, a project can't become a $1 million project or a product. So that's why like we have created this community to get the real feedbacks from you folks, from where we can improve, what we can add, and over here like you can connect with the like-minded folks. So we have this particular sections over here. Like first is announcement. So over here, like we will be covering around announcement around our community, what feature we have implemented in our AI Codex, and around product side of it, like if we have shipped something, new courses updated, and things like that. And
Mhm.
last but not the least, like we will be covering around events as well. So let's say we used to host some couple of events through our community. So like might be with Codex as well. We will be sharing with you around the things what we are cooking, what we are building, and things like that. So I hope this particular platform excites you, and you can read more around the platform over here in our blog. But
Mm.
exactly it contains how you can understand the things in a better way. And leaderboard, like we already have 100 plus users joined AI Codex, and every single day they folks are like learning the things and so on. But without a code of conduct, a community doesn't make sense. So there will be few things that we would suggest to you folks should be understandable around that particular. Be respectful, be inclusive, and protect everyone's like privacy. And there will be like few unexpected behavior that we wouldn't accept in our platform, like harassment type of thing, and things like that. And if you see any type of incidents on around the AI Codex on social media, so you can pitch that out on our email moderator at the rate the AI community, or either you can send us as a feedback. So we will work on it. Event section, we will be coming up with few amazing things in upcoming months. So stay tuned to our socials, the AI community. Everywhere we have the same username, so that you folks doesn't face any issues to find us on socials. And showcase, like it's basically the kind of section that we are building. Like if you are a builder, you love building things, so you can share with anyone like who are interested to build and get the early feedback. So we will be making that live in upcoming month with some new features and so on. Under the like discussion phase, like we will be covering around the trending things, which is basically being live, which contains, let's say, currently, if you see on Twitter, so AI agents is being like people are creating AI agent for visualizing certain things in 3D and things like that. So definitely, like, we will be covering on Paint so that you folks can discuss with the things and share your opinions. So this is basically the section around community and newsletter. So every week, like if you are implementing something, if you are having some major product updates and things like that, so you can be the part of our newsletter, and we will update you through that. So you can subscribe to our newsletter, which is like completely free of cost, and we assure like it wouldn't be an spam. uh, it contains a lot of knowledge what's happening in the crypto market and AI ecosystem in last 1 week, and we will share that out in the form of uh, a blog and things like that. And we used to do like weekly scrolls, early access to our new features, exclusive tips, and amazing bounties and builders highlight as well. And if you're getting something for free, why not you should join it out. So yes, like this is basically it about our AI Codex. And now what you guys are waiting for, like just on board to like codex dot the aircommunity.com and build your profile and make most out of it. So this is a bit around the platform that we are building. So I give you the demo around what exactly it's AI Codex, how you can create your identity and create your account. So here is basically some features that I already have mentioned. So like over here, you can create your own identity card and learn in a gamified way. So if you have go through our platform, you have seen like it's all 3D models and things like that, and you can build with other developers in the community and got paid for your work and be the ecosystem which is like up to date what's happening in the space in last 1 week and so on, and we will be updating that out through our newsletter. So what's next? Any points from your side, like few what's coming up?
Thank
I
you.
think you're on mute.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Thank you, Borna, was sharing. This is really exciting because we have a platform. It's a free platform where you can learn about blockchain from history of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and things, and how to build smart contracts. Whereas I think even now we in a bear market, but this is really good time for us to build up like foundations about crypto, about blockchains, how we can build together. And we have some bounties too, right, Buena? And
Yeah, exactly.
who can boss the bounties?
Yeah, definitely. It's gonna be live super soon, and I hope you guys will be super excited for the same.
Yeah, yeah,
And you
because
can let us know
yeah, yeah,
if
and this is
any.
really yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
Okay, sorry. It's a lacking a little bit. Yeah, and I think when you learn with the community together, it's a really good chance because you can share what you stuck, what you can learn more, what you can build together, and with the leader and with the bounties, I think you can build up your skills by building real things and provide values and receive a rewards back. It's really great too. And Aya communities we have like in around 6 countries right now. Like first India, Philippines, Vietnam, um, right? Okay, and UAE is soon to be, but you can join the Aya communities to get the support from us. Yeah, me and Wana also can always support you on this journey.
Exactly, like you can learn a bit about our AI community, what we are building, what events we are like we are cooking something amazing in the month of April
Yeah,
and
yeah.
May. We will be announcing super soon. Me and Fuke were working day and night for the same. So let's see how this particular thing turn out. And
Okay.
you folks can go through this particular thing and join your nearest community that you can be part of. Like India is there, Vietnam is there, Indonesia is there, and Philippines and things like that.
Mm. Yeah.
So where you just need to onboard is the aircommunity.com.
Yeah. You can see in the chat box I have shared. like the AI Codex and AI community, so you can join and learn, become a member. And in the future, if you want to host in your own country and cities, you can register with us too. Yeah. Mm. Mhm.
Exactly. So thank you everyone for joining us today, and we are coming up with something great, and you will see the announcement around the same on our socials super soon. And I hope you all are excited for the announcement.
Mm.
And thank you, Fuke, for joining us and sharing your insights today.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Vanna, and everyone for joining our sharing session today. Hope you can join the AJAC Codex and our communities and start to learn, build, and earn together. Okay. Have a great day. See you soon.
Yeah, you too. Have a good day ahead,
Yeah.
everyone.
Bye bye.